In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Slack. Navigating team dynamics in a digital workspace can sometimes be tricky, especially when you encounter users who are disruptive or whose messages you'd rather not see. While Slack doesn't offer an explicit block feature, there are methods you can use to effectively reduce unwanted interactions and manage your Slack workspace environment better. First up, you'll want to focus on controlling your notification settings. This step is pivotal, as it gives you a handle on when and from whom you receive alerts. Start by opening your Slack workspace on the desktop version and click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From there, select Preferences. A new window will appear where you'll then choose Notifications from the left-hand menu. Within these settings, you can modify which types of messages trigger notifications. Adjust these settings to only notify you about mentions, direct messages, or specific keywords of your choosing. This strategy won't prevent someone from messaging you, but it can limit disruptions. Another effective method to handle unwanted interactions is to mute specific channels or conversations. Navigate to the conversation or channel you'd like to mute by clicking on its name. Once inside, click on the information icon, typically represented by an eye, at the top right corner of the channel. Here, you'll find the option to mute the channel. Muting a channel stops notifications without leaving the channel. You can always come back and catch up on missed messages when it suits you. Next, let's discuss aiming for more personalized control by utilizing the Do Not Disturb feature. This is accessible by clicking your profile picture and then selecting Pause Notifications, where you can set a specific time period during which you won't receive any notifications. This tool is extremely helpful when you need to focus or have important tasks to attend to without being distracted by less important Slack messages. You can easily adjust the timing as per your daily schedule, providing a block of uninterrupted time. You should also consider leaving channels or groups that are not beneficial or relevant. If someone you find disagreeable is often active in a particular channel, you might decide the best course of action is to simply leave the channel altogether. To do so, open the channel, click the settings icon, and select Leave Channel. It's a straightforward step, but it can make a significant difference in your Slack experience. Remember, while Slack doesn't have a built-in block feature, these adjustments offer you a measure of control over your workspace experience. Tailor these settings to your specific needs to ensure that Slack remains a productive and positive part of your work routine.